Hey guys, we received this replacement for Delta shower trim kit for test and try. This is a 14 series all metal tub shower faucet set with the 6-inch matte black shower head and a handle set with the valve, but the valve and the cartridge not included that you can use for any Delta cartridge. So here you can see like the quality wise they are really good, very nice thick quality and the heavy quality which I can easily see. Within the handle it's really heavy, and this comes with this all the socket, so you just need the valve. So you can just buy the Delta valve, and this will be used on your shower or the tub with all the adjustment. 6-inch stainless steel rainfall shower head for waterfall experience, 6-inch tub spout with a diverter for water flow control, and the product dimension is around like 5.4 inches for the shower, and you can just install this based on the height. So you can buy a Delta R10000 series shower valve kit to complete this rain shower head combo. So this one is like for the shower head, and this is a Santonic shower trim kit with the other sees other brand, so that will not fit. So R10000 Delta series shower valve will fit with this. So the quality wise you can see it's really great and good, with a nice heavy quality metal, and with a nice shower head with this thing. So even the faucet is really good. Overall, I will say this is nice stainless steel corrosion and rust resistance material with a nice showing and the nice material. 5.4 inches steady shower arm and 6 inches large shower head with adjustable direction and nice set.